Hello everyone. I am Ronald Martinez, and together with my partner Franz Kmar Ignacio from BIT 1-57 FSMB, we are here to present to you our outline presentation task 5. So here are our project objectives. Our topic is recommend healthy lifestyle practices for teenagers. Of course, our audience will be teenagers who are unhealthy and practicing poor lifestyle. The purpose is to inform the audience about the different healthy lifestyle practices they can do. Then, the language register we use are the formal register. So now, let's proceed to the outline. Our first topic is healthy eating habits. Here we have eating fruits and vegetables, and the subtopics of it are the examples of fruits. This is mango, apple, and banana. And the second is the example of vegetables. Here we are ampalaya, malunggay, talong. Then the second topic is eating protein-rich foods. On the number one, we have egg, which is the good source of proteins. To the second one is we have chicken and pork meal that will keep our body more stronger because of the protein they can give to us.
Hi, I'm Franz Kmar Ignacio from BIT 157 and I will discuss about healthy exercising habits. Aerobic exercise is a form of physical activity that raises our heart rate and keeps it elevated for a sustained period. Like improving our cardiovascular health, aerobic exercises strengthen our heart, lungs, and blood vessels, which in turn improves overall cardiovascular health. Flexibility and mobility. Flexibility refers to the range of motion available in our joints, while mobility refers to your ability to move freely and easily. Incorporating flexibility and mobility exercises into our routine can provide several advantages. Self-care practices. Complete rest. It is essential for overall well-being to get adequate restful sleep at each night. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night as it allows the body to recover from daily activities. We're also supporting our mental health and creating a comfortable resting environment can contribute significantly to better sleep quality. Self-discipline. Self-discipline for our health is very important to our life. Like for example, avoid eating junk foods. It's better to achieve our good health because it's crucial to avoid junk foods and strives for a balanced diet because junk foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and calories, contributing to various health issues like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. The second is avoid using gadgets before going to sleep. Reducing or eliminating the use of gadgets before bedtime is another important aspect of self-discipline. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets can interfere with our body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. The best routine is to consider activities like reading book, practicing mindfulness, or listening to soothing music as alternative tips to screen time before bed. This is our reference from Scree BBR, and so these are our choices because they are related to our topic. Thank you.